We are PRism Lighting Group. Our goal is to provide high-quality, innovative LED lighting solutions that are intelligently designed and easy to install. And now, we are introducing LovoFlex Snap Connectors by PRism Lighting Group, the most secure solderless connection system for LED lighting products in the industry. Snap connectors are so easy to use that we can show you in less than 30 seconds. Simply align the LovoFlex copper pads with the coded positive-negative connection notations on the snap connector, which assures proper match with copper teeth. Snap it shut with the locked-down side clips. The positive connection teeth bite directly into the copper pads of the LED light strip. And then, you have a secured cable connection that stands alone as the best solderless connection available. LovoFlex Snap Connectors support most LovoFlex LED flexible strip lighting and are made to accept various LED diodes, widths, and thicknesses of LED flexible strips. Snap connectors are designed for 2-wire single color and 4-wire RGB color changing LED light strips. With LovoFlex FC to Snap connectors, you can attach LED cabling easily, quickly, and without the need of soldering equipment or hardwired connections, especially with last-minute on-site installations. It's never been easier to replace a light strip with LovoFlex LED Snap connectors. Just locate and remove the strip you want to remove, then insert your replacement strip with the new Snap connector. And as you did before, link to cable, plug to power source, and your LED lighting is up and running in seconds. With ease of use, installation labor savings, and true solderless positive connection is the driving force of this solution-driven innovation. The LovoFlex LED Snap and FC connection system provides a seamless plug-and-play solution for all wiring needs from LED light source to power supply. The Snap connection system is another example of PRism providing the best LED lighting products for exhibits, retail, commercial, and special lighting projects.